Let's see, can I fill in on this boat? Aluminum welder.
It's Dave from Dave Metalworks.
All right, let's see what it does.
No job is too large or too small.
Look at might have did it. Hit a little bit of this side. See how bad that boat worn down?
Yeah.
We're trying to build up this ridge here so it make it better to catch when you go to tighten it up.
Okay.
But I gotta stay away from that hole right there.
What's that hole for?
Yeah, that's what it is.
Bleeder?
It's got a thread in it. Yeah. All right.
This what you want?
I gotta get a little bit more in this corner here. Yeah. Good way to grind it though.
Yeah.
You have to fight it. Dang, that's fairly close. There though.
Perfect. You're a bad man, boy.
There. I'm gonna put a little bit more build up. This kind of right here.
Like I said, no job too small or too large for Dave.
Yeah.
Dave Metalworks.
Oh yeah.
He fixed it all. You got something to do with some metal. Take him, Dave ain't gonna fix it now. That pretty grill there. I remember that grill on nothing.